O, ayan guys, ayan. Nilagyan nila ng ganyan. Bato. Ayan. Aspal. Yan, ganyan. Manipis lang siya. And then later, they will put the black one, the aspal. Ayan. Oo. Ganun. Good morning everyone. So while watching how they do the jalan in front of our house, they do aspalto. Yeah. Hello, hello. Welcome back to Feralucia family. Yan. That is the aspalto. They're doing like that. So we put a little bit gravel in our tempat jalan rumah. That one. They do like that. That's it, yeah. They do like that. So, yan. It's okay, yeah? That one. Okay, so how many people? There are 3. They are 3. That's it. That's it. That's they do like that. So, yang meheran in sini sampai yang tempat yang jalan in go in sawah di do semen like that. Yang meheran in sini di do semen tempat jalan in sawah, in tempat garden lah. That's it. So alhamdulillah, ayan, they do aspalto. But I think aspalto is just not for a long time. Ayan. Ito yung aspalto niya. Paling sikit saja, paling sikit. Aspaltonya. Aspaltonya tipis. Ay, tipis. Ayan. Ini yang ditampel. O, ayan na. Ayan. Piso niya yan. Tignan natin. Dito tayo dito. Tingnan natin. Panas. Tayo. Ding. Ayan. Slender. Ini yang sudah simpan pasir hitam. Ayan, sudah sampai sana, alhamdulillah. Depan rumah kami sudah fix yang jalan. Oh, this one. Oh, semua pada rehat, ha? Oh. Oh, that one yang belum. That one. And then here yang sudah simpan pasir. Ito yang sudah simpan aspalto. Ayan. Oh. That one lang guys. That one lang. That one only. Yeah. Ini jalannya sudah jadi jalannya. Baby kami sudah boleh pusing. Ay. Yeay. Jalannya sudah bagus. Boleh pusing. Sandor. Baby. Iya. Kemarin tidak bisa macam ini, pasal jalannya rusak. Tapi sudah aspal tuh, ayan. Ayo. O doon kayo sa kwan, mag-ikot-ikot-ikot. Pusing, pusing. Biar nampakin bawa pusing, pusing. Oh. Tulak mo ng konti. Pusing. Yan, yun yung depan rumah kami. Yehey.